In late 2019, Betelgeuse, one of the brightest stars in our night sky, began to fade dramatically. By February 2020, it had lost two-thirds of its brilliance, visible even to the naked eye. Astronomers wondered if this red supergiant was about to explode in a spectacular supernova. But the truth proved equally fascinating. Hubble revealed that Betelgeuse had ejected a massive cloud of superhot material traveling at 200,000 miles per hour. As this gas cooled millions of miles from the star, it formed dust that blocked a quarter of Betelgeuse's surface. The star wasn't dying just yet, merely sneezing.
Made with 1703.co.